In this video, I will show you how to share a single tab from Google Sheets instead of the entire document. Start by opening your Google Sheets document on your PC. At the bottom of your screen, you will see all the available sheets in your file. Identify the sheet you want to share, then click on the small arrow next to its name. Hover over Copy To and select New Spreadsheet. This will create a new Google Sheets document containing only the selected tab. Once the new spreadsheet opens, you can share it by clicking on the Share button in the upper right corner. You may choose to rename the document or click Skip to proceed. Next, copy the sharing link and send it to anyone who needs access. If you want to restrict editing permissions, select the desired range by dragging your cursor over the spreadsheet cells. Click the arrow next to the sheet name again, then select Protect Sheet. Choose Set Permissions to control editing access. If you want to limit access to a specific range instead of the entire sheet, select Range, then click Set Permissions and define the users allowed to make changes. This method allows you to securely share only one tab from your Google Sheets while maintaining control over access and editing permissions.